Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on KY4.com. Hopefully you've had a nice start to the week. It was kind of hard to do, I guess you could say, on Monday, at least here in the Bluegrass region. We had a couple of rounds of very heavy rain, torrential rain in fact, first during the mid-afternoon and then yet another during the early evening hours. Both occasions seeing some problems with flooding, street flooding especially, around Lexington. In fact, the evening event, of course, did create flash flood warnings and even severe thunderstorm warnings with some damaging winds possible. But luckily, it looks like most of the area did, in fact, escape unscathed without any major problems. But there's so much moisture in the atmosphere and that boundary still laying overhead that anything that does, in fact, develop could produce some very heavy rain, and that was realized on Monday. Now, heading forward, it's looking a whole lot better. I still can't get my head around the fact that we are heading into the middle part of August. Yes, it's been awfully humid the last several days, but at the same time, we've gone a long stretch without any heat at all, and we're actually going to go the other way. It looks very, very nice for the mid and late week. What's going to happen on Tuesday? Frontal system is going to move through here. In fact, the boundary will get a little push from a secondary front that will slide through. So Tuesday, still looking at the possibility of scattered showers and storms, but once that front gets clear of the Commonwealth by Tuesday night and into early Wednesday, another big area of high pressure is going to build into the Great Lakes and into the Ohio Valley as well. Much more sunshine, less humidity, and very comfortable temperatures. Again, as you know, mid-August, but we're talking highs into the mid and upper 70s into Wednesday, Thursday, and probably Friday, with early morning lows dropping all the way down into the mid and upper 50s. So it really will feel more like fall. And again, it's hard to get your head around the fact that this is mid-August when we typically would see temperatures well into the 90s, a lot of humidity, and many times dealing with drought. But that is not the case this year at all. It's been an unusual 2013 with our weather, and August is no exception. So I know a lot of folks tired of the rain, especially the very, very heavy rain. Got caught out in it Monday myself. Actually saw some of the Herbies and the Rosies washing down the street in a period of about 5 or 10 minutes. That's just how hard it was raining and how quickly those floodwaters can rise. So be careful here in the short term. But there is a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. Once we hit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's going to be fantastic. So look forward to that. Some nice fall-like weather to come here in the Bluegrass. As always, thanks for joining me here on KY4.com, and have a great one.